pommel and the handguard polished out fairly well. We're just going to finish polish it at this point. I'm breaking out my Dremel Lite. Alright, so I'm going to finish up the polishing with utilizing my Dremel Lite. Okay, this tool is fantastic for jobs like this. Okay, it accepts, the Dremel Lite accepts all types of accessories. Okay, you can see just some of them here that I have: polishing, grinding, buffing. Yeah, the Dremel Lite's incredible. I actually did a review about 6 months ago on the Dremel Lite. Unfortunately, the audio was broken in the it was an issue with the microphone, so there's not very good audio. But anyway, I'm going to show you how we're going to use it on this project, and so you'll have an idea of how to work for you with your own projects. Okay, so highly recommended tool. Dremel Lite has never let me down. Charges super fast. Holds a charge for about a half an hour or so at like a medium speed, which to me is fantastic. And then it recharges very quickly. We've got some polishing paste. I'm gonna pick up a little bit. All right. Very easy to switch off tools. You got a little lock button here. You just hold it down, and you just turn. Okay, we're going to swap off to a thinner tool, or taller, to a thinner but also taller. Put that in. Lock. Tighten it down. The kit does come with a wrench, so if you feel more comfortable tightening it down with a wrench, you can. Alright, here we go. It came out pretty darn good.